Hello everybody, we are going to make a new cup, and we're going to make a new cup using our magic wand tool, the color overlay stuff we've already done, and put everything together to make a new cup. So this is what we're going to do. I am looking for a logo. Look at that, I'm an Nats fan. So I'm going to take this logo and I'm going to right click and say save image as. Okay, and I'm just going to put it on my desktop. That works fine for me right there. Now I'm going to my Photoshop and I want you to create a new document. Okay, we're going to measure in centimeters, so put centimeters first. We are going to have it 15 centimeters by 15 or by 10. And you can change this. Well, I want you to do 15 by 10. My image is going to be a circle, so I probably don't need that, but I could always add to it later. But I want you 15 by 10. Resolution, I want 600. All right. Everything else, RGB color is good. White is fine. Everything else is good. And I'm going to, I'm going to name it right now. Nats Cup. So you could name yours, whatever you're going to make. Click create. There we go. So now we are going to place my image in here. So I'm going to place, and again, I want to do embedded because I want the file in this document. So I want that logo to stay there so that if I accidentally deleted the logo from where I downloaded it, I still have it in my file. So place embedded. Waiting. Now I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to find my Nationals logo, and there it is. I can resize it a little bit, maybe get it a little bit more. Yeah, that's probably a little better. There, center it up. Nice thing is that it will show me these center lines if I need them. That works. Okay, and hit return. All right, now what we're going to do, I am going to select the things that I want to make black in my, or actually, I'll say it again. I'm going to select the things that I want to be silver and shining through. Okay, so I want to do whatever's going to be shining through and being silver. So I want this entire W, both the red and the blue, to be engraved out. So I'm going to take my magic wand and I am going to select it. All right, so I'm going to go to my file right here and I'm going to select the red, and I'm going to hold down shift. I can zoom in if I need to. I'm going to select the blue as well. There. All right, and if I need to, I can also do a little quick selection. If I see these little specks in there, I could also hold and click and go to my quick selection tool and try to add these little specks so it looks a little better for me. All right, but good enough. Okay. Once I get that logo, I'm going to create a new layer with it. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to say layer via copy. And if you look, there is my first layer. So far, so good. Okay, now what else do I want to have as black or engraved out? I would like to have maybe my, let's see, I'm going to do the blue here to be engraved out as well. So the other way I can do it is the magic wand, and this time I'm going to select and I'm going to right click and say color range. Okay, and I'm going to get the eyedropper tool just like that. Okay, not bad. That's kind of what I want right there. It's going to take this blue again, but that's okay. All right, so I'm going to select it. If I want to improve the fuzziness, I can put this up here. And there's all that black or the navy blue that's going to be selected. I'm going to right click again and say layer via copy again. All right, how do we do? Not good. Let's try that one more time. I probably had the wrong part selected, so I'm going to get rid of that one, bring it to the trash can. Boom. Let's try it again and do this again. So right click, color range again. That's what I want. I have the right layer selected down here. Okay, that's better. And layer via copy. That looks better. Yep, that's good right there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is this. I want to get those, but I need to engrave it. And if I need to engrave something, they have to be black. Okay, good practice is no matter what, color overlay in black just to make sure that nothing is even kind of off. You know, make it a full heavy black. So I'm going to right click on both of these and say blending options. And I am going to do my color overlay right there. Select it and make sure the color is black. Okay, if it isn't in here, let's say it was a different color. Okay, whatever it was over there, all I have to do is type in 0 down below and it'll give me that black that I want. All right, I'll do the same thing with this layer. And I'm gonna, again, go to blending options, color overlay, and make it black. Okay, again, why am I doing this? Why am I making all black? Because I need to engrave, and engrave has to be in the black color. All right, from here, you can add some other logos. You could add some text if you want. You know, if you want to have something, I can select all these, move it all up, add something down below. I can highlight it up. It's way too big, right? But I can then make it smaller in here. Boom, move it around. Okay, I can change the color before I leave the text area. I can make this black as well because I need it black. I could change my font to anything else. Okay, slide it on over. And there we go. All right, when you're done, I want you to save your file, save it as a JPEG as well, and submit.